Welcome to SDET ADDA, and in this video we are going to write a Java program which will print inverted half pyramid using a star. So you can see I have my class file called invert half pyramid inside pyramid package. So let me include main method here, and you should see the requirement, and the requirement, as I always say, it should be crystal clear, right? Before you begin with anything, you should understand the requirement properly. So here, as per the requirement, we need to print 5 star in the first row, and in the second row we are going to print 4 star, third row 3, and fourth row we are going to print 2, and in the fifth row we are going to print 1 star. Here you can see the number of stars are getting decremented by 1. We need to loop for this requirement, and let me initialize row by 5, and as I said, we need to for loop. The outer for loop will control the number of rows, and the inner for loop will control the number of elements per row. Here in the first, when I equal to 5, I want to print 5 element. Okay, so how I will do that? I will start and it will go till I. Okay, and inside this I'm going to print the star. You can see that, and after j is complete, I'm going to, so what will happen? It will go till I, right? So in the first iteration of I, when I is equal to 5, it is going to the second for loop will be printing 5 star. Okay, because j has to get incremented till it reaches to I, the value of I. Okay, so in the first iteration of I, it is going to print 5 star, and in the second loop, when I is equal to row minus 1, because I is getting decremented as per the for loop, right? So when I is equal to 4, then the j will be printing 4 star, and after each iteration I'm going to give one new line. And you don't want to print a star in each time in new line, so you have to print in one row for each iteration of I. Okay, so this is our program, and let's run it. So you have to do a right click on your program, and you have to run as Java application. So you can see that, so our requirement is fulfilled and we have got the expected output, right? And here, if you want to print something like number, you can play around, and you can go with this 555 444. If I print j, then it will print 1 2 3 4. I mean 5 4 3 1 3 2 1, and then 4 3 2 1, right? Let's see that. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, that's right. 1 2 3 4 5, and in the second row 1 2 3 4, and similarly. Okay, so that's it, guys, in this video. and hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and keep learning. See you in next video.